Hello and welcome back to this 7-day challenge. Things are moving on. We're still basically on day 2. Got the product sorted, got the ad sorted, got the site sorted. I'm not sure whether we did, whether I showed you Cloudflare or not. I can't remember. But let's have a look at that now because it's still showing us pending name server update. So if we go in here and we just get our name servers, so copy. What we do is we go to wherever the name server is, which in this case is a logged out version of Namecheap. And then, even though it's pointing to D9 hosting, we basically copy, paste, we put the name servers in there, and then what we do, we save that. Then what we do is we go to the DNS and we check out all these, and we want to make sure, so we go to our D9 hosting, basically our D9 hosting like client area, the same. We go, so we log in and we go to our thing and we go to WHM because we want to go into the cPanel for Home Galaxy, and we want to double check this IP address is right. Okay, so if we go list accounts and then we go Home Galaxy, I'm pretty sure it's the 233. So yeah, so it's this one. We just want to make sure that is the right one. So is it 185.150, 185.150, 191, 223? So we just want to make sure that they are all pointing at the right ones, which they are. So basically, Cloudflare is working perfectly on that. Okay, so that's that out of the way. Now we want to look at logo. So obviously, I like Envato, so we're gonna go Envato. But then obviously you could go Canva. So I'm gonna do like a little basic, like a little cheeky sort of one on here, which is basically me just going, okay, yeah, you can use Canva if you want. Well, I'm just going to type in because I can't find it. Logo. And it is Galaxy, so we want like space. No, it's not that kind of space. So we'll just type in Galaxy, see where that comes up. It's going to be like a planet, isn't it? But basically, that's the thing we're going to be. It's going to end up coming up with. So Galaxy universe. It seems to be coming up with universities, which is not great search. So again, the really obvious planet, which I really didn't really want to go for. But yeah, okay. So yeah, you could go. You're gonna have to forgive me for not putting very much effort into this one, because that's essentially what you're gonna get. Bring the universe home. So it's not so bad. We could do the whole coolest thing as well if you wanted. You remember if from the if you've watched the what's it? Okay, so I've spelled it wrong. Coolers, is it? I'm sure it's Coolers. Yeah, so we could pick some branding colours for this. In fact, let's do this. So we'll start the generator. So and then you lock a colour, and you lock a colour, and you blah 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 blah. That's how you do it. Okay, I quite like that. I mean, it's very crazy. It's very crazy. But let's lock the first two. Okay. I mean, I don't know. I just like it as it is. It's very crazy. But it does go with that sort of whole. See, now it's just gone less crazy, which I didn't want. Okay, I'm locking that because for some reason, I mean, we're gonna have to have something relatively sensible in there. It's a bit weird. Because okay, let's go with that. Okay, so I'm gonna go with that. So let's export. So you'll have to excuse my itching here. I've got a bit of a eczema just coming on. So let's take let's copy the URL for a start and stick it onto our board, and then let's also export it as a PDF. Not a PDF. Let's export it as an image, and we'll call it Home Galaxy branding. Yes, we want hex export. Okay, let's save that file, and let's save it in the Home Galaxy thing. Let's keep this open. So we'll go back here, and I'll just sort of entertain the idea of playing around with it. So let's go. We've got like, I'm not really sure where that black is, but let's change this one. Paste. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. Let's change this to, I mean, you do know I'm not going to be going with this one, right? But why not just play around? Quite cool. Let's go yellow for like the main colour and everything. I'm not going to be going with this one just because I just think there's going to be better looking logos on what's it, but you know, paste. Okay, and then we'll take this last silver one because like it's probably the most sort of conservative of them all, and let's take that as the background. And you know, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not even going to download it because I'm not going to use it, but you know, that's how you play around. But let's get rid of that, and let's keep the colours here, and let's download a we want graphics, and we want logos, and we want let's go straight in with Galaxy and see what we come back with. See, we're already looking at like way better. Like, I really quite like that. Really quite like that one. Space tech, space. I like this one here, but it looks a little bit industrial. It looks a little, even though it's got the word industrial in it, it looks a little bit like, you know, like NASA or something. I don't want to go. Oh, that one's good. That one's a potential. Let's download that one as a potential. Okay, and then let's change. Let's change this to. Let's change this to space. I really like that one. I really like this one. I quite like that one. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one. But it's one of those strange sort of blended colour ones, which are quite hard to change the colours of. Okay, let's download this, and I've shown you the basics. I've shown you some ideas. I'm going to do a part 2 of this video because it's been very late day. I've got more to do. I've still got more to do on the site, and the honest answer is that I'm going to watch Manchester United play football for a couple of hours. So I'm going to do a part 2 on this video. This is the part 1 on creating the logo, but I've shown you the sorts of ideas that I'm looking for. I've shown you how to use Canva, and I've shown you how to use coolers for a colour palette for your brand, which is really important because we're going to take all these colours right through the site, the emails, the social media accounts, everything is all crucial. So okay, I'm gonna say goodbye, and I'll see you in part 2. Thanks a lot for watching.